What if I told you that almost 90% of traders lose money in the market, not because the market is rigged, not because trading is impossible, but because most people repeat the same deadly mistakes again and again. And the scary part? Most traders don't even realize they're destroying their accounts until it's too late. Every day, social media sells the same dream: luxury cars, massive profits, people claiming they made thousands of dollars in a single day. And millions of beginners watch those videos and think, trading looks easy. But what they don't see is the reality behind the camera. The losses, the stress, the accounts that get completely wiped out. Because real trading isn't just about buying and selling. It's about psychology, discipline, and controlling emotions under pressure. But most beginners enter the market with the wrong mindset. They want fast money, and the market punishes that mindset brutally. The number one reason traders lose money is emotion. Fear and greed destroy more accounts than bad strategies ever could. Here's how it usually starts. A beginner wins 1 or 2 trades, and suddenly they feel unstoppable. They start risking more money, taking bigger trades, ignoring basic rules. Then one bad trade happens, and everything changes. Now panic takes over. Instead of accepting the loss, they try to win it back. This is called revenge trading, and it destroys thousands of accounts every single day. The losses get bigger, the emotions get stronger, and eventually the account crashes. But trading psychology isn't the only problem. Social media is making things even worse. Many fake trading influencers only show profits. They rent expensive cars, flash fake screenshots, pretend they became millionaires overnight. But real professional traders rarely live like that. In fact, real trading is often boring. Professional traders focus on protecting money first, because survival matters more than excitement. The truth is, consistent traders don't chase huge profits every day. They focus on small, steady gains over time. So how do you avoid becoming part of the 90%? First, never risk too much money on a single trade. Many successful traders risk only 1 or 2% of their account per trade. Second, stop chasing every opportunity. Not trading is sometimes smarter than taking a bad trade. Third, control your emotions. Even the best strategy becomes useless if fear controls your decisions. And finally, treat trading like a business, not a casino. Because successful traders know something beginners don't. Trading is not about winning every trade. It's about surviving long enough to stay in the game. Even professional traders lose money sometimes. The difference is, they don't let one bad decision destroy everything. And that's why most people fail. Not because trading is impossible, but because discipline is harder than people expect. So before you enter the market hoping to become rich overnight, ask yourself one question. Are you trading with a real plan or just emotions? Because the market rewards patience, but destroys greed. Comment below, do you think trading is skill or luck? And subscribe for more finance and investing stories.